Okay. Angilindelanga.
What do you think of tonight's show?
One word, epic. I think njengoba ngisho ukuthi Durban has proven to us ukuthi they finally welcome what we've been trying to sell to them for the past few years. And this tonight just went on to show ukuthi sebeyayithanda comedy, sebeyazi ukuthi comedy. So thank you so much for coming out, and I hope ngeke niphinde nibuye emakhaya. Njalo manibona iposter lezi. Shatswa khona bani?
What can you say to the people who come to support us but don't want to buy a ticket? Laba bafika bethi ngizokusupporta ngihamba nabangani bami abawu-12 ngicela ama-tickets.
Hayi ngeke labo cause ngangibuza nani-entertain ngelinye ilanga ukuthi hayi
Okay.